Hello my good people, I'll be taking you to the battery case unit. So the first thing is to make sure I disinfect the sole of my shoes and get in. We are now in the battery case unit. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Leslie, the vet tech for the Venbati HighTech farm. And Venbati HighTech farm is specialized in poultry production. We are situated in the Mayanje sector of the Bugesera district, eastern province of Rwanda. We made a video promising to transfer all our chicks from the deep litter to the battery cages. That was done yesterday. So ladies and gentlemen, today, January 27, 2023, makes our chicks 81 days since they came on the November 8th, 2022. Time for eating. We must eat. We must eat. They have to eat something. Let us watch and see how we do our feeding in the cages. When you look very keenly in the troughs, in their feeding trough, you will find out that there is still some feed. If you should go very closely, you will find out that the grains are very fine. They are finding it difficult to eat everything for now because they were being debeaked yesterday. This feed was served to them 7 a.m. this morning, and it's already 3 p.m. when we're giving the second ration for the day. So I have to do my measurement. I put the feed in a cup, then I pour in the feeding trough. The feeding trough is wide open to reduce any wastage if the feed has to pour on the floor. After doing this, I have to spread the feed evenly to every bird in each cell so that everybody has access to feed at the same time. I do this for all the feeding troughs in all the 6 stands. I'm just from feeding them. You can see they're trying to eat. And if you look very closely, they've already been debeaked and they still manage to eat. This is stand 1 and we're almost done with it. Now we go to stand 2. We are in stand 2 and they're eating. So this is now stand 3. This is stand 3. Yeah, wow, I like this. A lot of them are eating. This is stand 4. Remember, we told you there are 6 stands. 1 is out. I'm going to catch it and put it in the cage down. So we are almost done with stand 4. Another one is out too, eating from the ground. All of them are going to be caught. This is stand 5 now. Some are sleeping. That's very small and that way. Let me move closer to it. It's the one which we said had a big disorder. It was also big, but it's eating. It's bigger now anyway. So we are on the last stand. This is the battery cage unit, all food. And as you discover, we have either 3 or 4 pullets in each cell. Just clean, and the litter is already piling up. So after the tarpaulins, we wash them. We're going to sweep this out. It's easier to sweep now. We're going to sweep it out and then we put our tarpaulin. One of my routine activity is that after I feed, I have to make sure that the feeders are well placed so that the feed can be readily available for the chicks without any stress. So I discovered that this feeding trough was wide open, so I had to close it up a bit, and then by so doing, feed is going to be available for our pullets. After that, I walk from cell to cell, stand to stand, doing my nipple check, because if water is not readily available for the pullets,
it's going to make them to grow not being very healthy. When you observe the basement of our cages, you won't find any pullet because all the escapees were caught and put back in the cages.
So I decided to put that very small one in the cage with these other ones and see how it is doing.
I saw these chicks drinking water and it was so exciting and interesting to me, so I decided to go closer, and out of curiosity this other chick came and was pecking at my camera. I had to withdraw myself backward and observe them at a distance.
So ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, these our pullets will attain 5% hen production come April. So for your quality eggs, you can call the numbers that pop up on your screen to reach out to us and do your reservations, or you could equally reach us out through our company email, Venbati HighTech Farm 569 at gmail.com, which is also on your screen. Please, ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to subscribe, give us thumbs up, smash the notification bell so that each time we upload new videos, you get notified. And please leave us with a comment. Do not forget to share to your loved ones. Let's keep poultry farming growing. Have a nice time. Ciao.